contento, amigo.
Much love to Infinita for letting me use their music in my videos. It's super awesome of them. Please be sure to buy their record, guys, and support them. Thank you for watching, and please be sure to like, comment, and always subscribe to the channel because you never know what we're going to put up next.
Welcome back, Green Train. How was that ride? Woo! Alright, this time you guys can now buckle your seatbelt quickly to your right, walk down the ramp to the rest of your
Let her know that tonight will be your best night. When she leaves, she'll be crying.